Shanning Machinery Manufacturing Co., Limited is a professional telescopic forklift and loader manufacturer. It can produce models from 0.3 to 6 tons and 7 to 20 meters. The cab is equipped with an LCD multimedia display and torque display to ensure the safety and entertainment of the operator. It supports 2-wheel steering, 4-wheel steering, and crab steering. It can produce models from 0.3 to 6 tons and 7 to 20 meters. It can be equipped with Cummins, Perkins engines, Danfoss, Rexroth hydrostatic systems, and load sensing valves. The operation is more precise and efficient. Welcome to consult and visit our factory.